We're here to dedicate our new public safety headquarters here in the Braddock District on the campus of the Government Center. Our current headquarters, the Massey building, is going to collapse any day now. I mean, it is well past its use. It's an unhealthy, dangerous building, and public safety is the first function of local government. We're right next to our other county agencies, and we have a lot of collaboration between police, fire, community services board, health department, human service agencies, so that collaboration is enhanced by being located here on the campus.
It's also a fantastic building and has been built to modern environmental standards. It's LEED Silver with all of the appointments that help to make it an environmentally friendly building. And that's what we are here to celebrate today.
Public Works is very excited to deliver the building. Our goal is to create a secure, safe, modern, beautiful building that takes care of all the latest green technologies and smart building technologies.
I was insistent that we were going to meet all the environmental standards that we impose in the private sector. I think that's important for the government to do, and we're proud of this building. It is a forward-looking building, it is environmentally sound, and we're very proud of how we can construct a building like this at a solid budget that is good for the environment and provides the most necessary service that we have.